What's going on, guys, and welcome back. Today we are doing a first oil change on the GT500. So we're gonna get the car jacked up, and then we'll show you underneath the car while we're doing it. Cause Funky doesn't believe I do my own oil changes, so we had to make a video, of course, right? Okay, so we got the car jacked up and on jack stands, as always. Safety first. We're gonna get underneath there and get the oil pan out, well, the drain pan, and drain the oil out of this sucker. Okay, guys, so we got it pretty much hand loose. I believe that is a 1/2-inch socket. We're gonna try and get this off without getting my hands always dirty, but that's an oil change. You know how that is. I'm not a big firm believer in wearing rubber gloves for oil changes. And there we go. Oil coming out. Managed to keep the bolt in the socket. So we'll let that drain. We'll show you a little specifics when it comes to putting the bolt back on here in a few minutes after it drains. Because with these GT500s, they show a little bit difference on tightening the bolt back in. Okay, guys, so we're back. So I got all the oil drained out of from the pan. And if you can see, Ford for these GT500s, they put a little yellow notch on the pan there, and then they also put a yellow notch on the drain bolt. So this way, when you tighten it back up, it almost makes it dummy-proof. Make fun of Sublime comments here, so that you can't screw it up as far as torque. So it looks like it should be all good, and we're gonna get over to the oil filter and get that changed out. Okay, guys, so I'm using I think it's a T27 Torx bit to get the panel off, to get to the filter. It comes out easy enough. And then, I don't know if you can see it or not. There's the filter housing right there, which I believe is a 1 1/4 inch socket. I will confirm that in a second once I start loosening it. Okay, so we got the filter out, and for the 2020 GT500, this is the oil filter. In case anybody needs a number, it's FL2087 filter. It comes with a filter like this, basically a filter cartridge instead of a traditional oil filter. And it comes with the 2 new rubber seals that you need to switch out on the housing, which I've already done. I would have shown taking this cartridge off, but it was kind of a pain in the butt to get the camera in a good place while I was taking it off. So, but I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory. You get a socket on that end, you loosen it up. So, all right, we're gonna get this all put back together, and then we'll get some oil in her. All right, guys. So one other thing I wanted to point out. Just like on the drain plug for the oil pan, Ford makes it kind of simple when it comes to tightening this filter housing down. You can see they put a yellow notch on the oil filter casing there, and they put a yellow notch on the oil cap, filter cap. So this way you pretty much know you're in a good spot when you go to tighten it down. Just wanted to make sure show you guys that, so this way if you ever need to do it, you know it's there and what it's there for. All right, we'll get this back on and then get some oil in this car. All right, guys, so we got the car down, got it off the jacks, got all the oil put in. Nobody needs to see me pour 11.5 quarts of oil in it. Yeah, 11.5 quarts of oil this thing frickin' takes. But got it in, got it all buttoned up, took it for a test drive. Everything seems good. So that'll wrap up this video today. Yeah, that's about it. Other than that, you guys have a good one, man. We'll see you on the next one. Peace.